important part of our learning and growth, isn't it? All the students, do you agree with me?
Ma'am, yes.
Every time we
Yes,
do a
ma'am.
spelling
Ma'am,
mistake,
yes.
every time our teacher deducts our marks, right? We lose marks on spellings, even if we've written the correct answer. Why? Because spellings are very, very important. And do all of you know what it is today? Today is World Spelling Day. On today, across the globe, across the world, everybody is celebrating this day as World Spelling Day. So this is one day where we talk about the importance of spellings and how all of us must take care how we are spelling, how we are writing, because when we write the correct spellings, when we are writing, people understand you more. Imagine if somebody spelled your name wrong. Would you like it?
No, ma'am.
No, we would be very angry. Why couldn't somebody not spell my name properly? Why can't somebody not pronounce my name properly? So that is
मैम हमारा नेम तो गलती लिखा हुआ था लिस्ट में, मैं डबल पी डाल दी थी.
double P. See, you also don't like it. No, I also did a mistake there. So every time somebody does a mistake, we are very angry that, oh, they've not spelled my name correctly. So spellings are that important for everyone. So today we are going to do a spelling competition for all of you. All the 4 teams have joined with us.
Good evening, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. From different parts of the country. So I have one team, which has team A, who's joined us from Bangalore. In team A, I have Davik Paul, who's representing team A for now from DPS Bangalore. He's one.
Bolo, I am also there, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am also there from Bangalore.
Pravit.
Pravit has joined. Wow, Pravit, can I see your camera, please? We've been waiting for you for a while now. Okay, Pravit, I can see you. Okay. Welcome, Pravit. Welcome. So we've been waiting for you. We thought you're not joining us.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. From team B, I have
Ma'am,
Nat.
we had an internet issue.
Okay, that is understandable, Pravit. It's okay.
Spelling competition.
Okay. I'm going to put everybody on mute for a minute, okay? So that we can start this, and then I'll ask you to unmute yourselves. So from team B, Victoria Public School, Ahmedgarh, I have Natik Mittal and Gurchapan Singh joined together. Then from team C, represented by Innocent Heart Groups of Schools, Jalandhar, I have Ishanvi Gupta and Dharya Chopra, who's joined us. Team D is IES Chandrakant Patkar Vidyalaya, Dombivali, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Drishti Tavre and Kriti Shinde, all the way from Mumbai, connected with us today, right? So with this, we are going to begin with the competition. Is everybody ready? Does everybody have a pen and pencil ready with them? Have a pen and pencil quickly ready with you.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Pen and pencil, paper, pencil, pen ready with you. Natik, everybody is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. Could we, Natik and Gurchapan, can you put your cameras on somewhere so that you keep on moving? Just put it somewhere in front of you. And I will request all the category 2 students to keep on mute and keep their cameras off. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so category 1 students, I have their cameras on and they are on unmute. So after each round, we'll have some questions for our audience as well. And every time all the people who answer correctly from the audience, even they get felicitated, even they will get some reward for the correct answer. We'll take up, I have my friends who have joined us on the Facebook live session, and the first 5 correct responders will get some rewards for their correct answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
So is everybody ready? Can we start with our competition?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody ready? All right. So now I'm going to start with the category 1 competition, and may I call upon my colleague Biju Nair, who's going to start and walk you through all the rules and regulations of the quiz rounds for category 1. Biju, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Himani. A very warm good morning to all the participants.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So happy to see such an energetic, confident group of young blooming buds. A very warm welcome to the spelling competition being organized by Madhuban Educational Books. So today we have here 4 teams, and I know that you're so excited to start the session. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. So before we start with, I would like to quickly take you through the rules for round 1, which is called Spell It. In this round, each team will get 3 words to spell. Okay, once you hear the word, each team will get 30 seconds to spell it out. Every correct spellings get the team 5 points. And this is a passing round. So if a team is unable to spell the word correctly, the next team gets a chance to spell it. It will automatically be moved to the next team. For spelling the past word correct, a team gets 3 points. So now the rules are clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I would request you all to stick on to that rules, and I would request all the teams that the answering team will remain in unmute microphone and unhide video position. You have to continue to be in unmute and video to be on all the time. The team who are answering the questions. All other teams will remain in mute and hide video positions. Okay, so now I would like to request the Spellmaster to call out the first word for team A. Spellmaster, please.
Lucy, you are on mute.
Good morning, students. All the very best to all of you. Now, Team A, please pay attention. The first word for Team A is generous. I'll repeat for you. Generous. Generous.
It's GENEROUS.
Spot on. You're correct. You're correct. That's correct.
Very good. Very well done, Team A. So Davik gets 5 points. Davik and Pravit, Team A from DPS Bangalore, get 5 points for the correct answer.
Congratulations, Devik. Now we are moving to the next question. So I would request the Spellmaster to please call out the word for team B.
The first word for Team B is fortune. Fortune. I repeat it again. Fortune.
This question is for team B. Your time starts now.
Team B, I see you were spelling it, but you are on mute, I guess. Please unmute.
FORTUNE.
Well done. That's correct.
Great. Congratulations to team B. Now we are moving to the next question. The first question for team C, Innocent Hearts Group of Schools, Jalandhar. May I please request the Spellmaster to call out the word for team C?
Team C, your word is communicate.
COMMUNICA.
Could you please repeat it? You know, you're not very clear.
COMMUNICATE.
Correct. Well done. Well done, kids. That's correct.
Congratulations to team C also. Now we are moving to the first question for the 4th team, IES Chandrakant Patkar Vidyalaya, Dombivli. All the best. May I ask Spellmaster to call out the word for them, please?
Team D, your word is beginning. Beginning.
Could you please repeat the word
Beginning.
beginning?
Beginning.
BEGIN BEGI N-N-I-N-G, beginning.
Bang on, correct. Very well done, kids. Correct.
Great. So the first round, the first questions of the first round has been completed very successfully. Congratulations to all the teams. We are moving to the second questions of the same round. Spellmaster, can we have the second word for team A?
Sure. The second word for team A is adventure. Adventure.
A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E.
Well done. That's the right answer. Great, kids.
That's wonderful. Congrats again. Now moving on to the second question of team B. Spellmaster, could you please call out the word for second word for team B, please?
Team B, your second word is equator.
E-Q-U-A-T-O-R, equator.
Repeat the word, kids. Repeat the spelling.
E-Q-U-A-T-O-R.
Okay, well done. That's correct. You got it right.
Great. That was very quick. Congrats to you. Now the second question for team C. Spellmaster, could you please call out?
Yeah, children, your word is alligator. Alligator. I repeat it again. Alligator. Shall I repeat the word again?
A-L-L-A-G-A-T-O-R.
Correct. That's correct. That's the right spelling. Very well done, kids.
That's great. So far, a tough and tight competition is going on. Now, the second word for team D. Spellmaster, could you please call out the word?
Yeah, team D, your second word is century. Century.
C-E-N-T-U-A-R-Y.
Could you repeat the spelling once again?
C-E-N-T-U-R-Y.
Absolutely, this is correct.
Great. We are witnessing a very tough and tight competition going on. So the third word for team A, Spellmaster, could you please call out?
Team A, your third word is journey.
Ma'am, can you repeat the word?
Journey.
Journey.
Yeah.
J-O-U-R-N-E-Y.
Well done, that's correct. Let's move on.
Great. We are moving further. So here is the third word for team B, Victoria Public School, Ahmed Gar. Spellmaster, please.
Yeah. Team B, your third word is environment. Environment.
E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T.
Could you repeat the spelling again?
E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T.
Great, superb. That's correct.
That was really cute. Congrats. Now we are coming to the third word for team C. Spellmaster, please.
Team C, please pay attention. Your third word is glacier. Glacier.
Ma'am, please repeat the word.
Glacier. Maybe you might even be pronouncing it as glacier, but the correct pronunciation is glacier. Could we have the spelling, kids?
G-L-A-C-I-E-R.
Bang on, that's correct.
Great. So we are moving to the last question of this round. The third question for Team D, IES Chandrakant Patkar Vidyalaya, Dombivli. Spellmaster, please.
Team D, your third word for this round is satellite. Satellite. Satellite.
S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E.
Amazing. That's correct. Very well done.
This is unbelievable. So all the teams have participated in an excellent and wonderful way. So congratulations to all the team. All have scored high marks, complete full marks in this first round. So here comes the question for the audience. So thank you, audience. Hundreds of audience are watching live. So thank you for watching. And here is the question for you. How many smaller words can you form from the word gorilla? I repeat the question. How many smaller words can you form from the word gorilla?
Two.
This question is not for the participants. This is only for the audience who are watching us live on Facebook. So
Okay, ma'am.
audience, the first 3 correct answers that we get, they will be rewarded. So how many smaller words can you make from the word gorilla? So not for the participants, only for the people watching us live on Facebook.
Yeah, please type in your answers in the comment box.
You should write all the words, not only the number. I see somebody's just written the number 5. So I want you to write the words, which all words can you form? Write
Ma'am,
the
where's
words
the
as well.
comment box?
But it is not Pravit. This is only for the audience who are watching us live. You are the participant. So shall we move on to the next round, Biju?
Yeah, please. So with this, this is the end of the first round. So we will move on to the second round.
All right.
So here we come to the second round, and I'm Shweta. I will be taking you through round 2, which is rhyme it. Now this round also you will be getting 30 seconds to answer each questions, and all your question, the right answers that you give will carry 5 marks. We will also be having 3 questions we'll be asking you. So we will start on with the first question for team A. And this is your question, team A, Delhi Public School. It is on screen. So you may give your right answers.
You have to give the rhyming
Rhyming word.
Butter.
Yeah.
Starter.
Spell it also. You have to spell it also, team A.
S-E-U.
Butter.
This question
Butter.
is only for team A. Pravit or Devik? Who is answering?
Ma'am, I'm answering.
All right, Pravit. So the rhyming
Butter.
word-
Butter.
That's correct. That's correct.
Wonderful, wonderful. So we will move on to the second question. First question for team B again, which is Victoria Public School. Are you ready? This is your question.
You're on mute, team B. Victoria, you're on mute.
You have to unmute.
W-A-R. War. W-A-R. War.
Okay, yeah, you got it right.
War.
You got it.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very nice. So we'll move on to team C. And the first question for team C, Innocent Heart Schools, is
Mute.
team C.
L.
Team C, could you repeat?
Repeat. Mute हो जाता.
You have to give us a rhyming word with girl and spell it.
चल रहा है. G-I-R-L. Girl.
Could you please repeat your answer?
G-I-R-L. Girl.
How are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining. How are you? I am under the water.
Okay, wonderful. So can we move on to the next question, which is the first question for team D? Yeah, team D, you will have to unmute yourself and answer. Yes. Thirty seconds.
Lean. Lean.
Correct.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very nice. So almost everybody's got the right answer in the first round. So we will again have a second round of question, and second word for team A is
Wizard.
Lizard.
Okay, both these words are correct. Well done.
very
You have to
nice.
spell it also.
Yeah, you have to spell it as well.
Lizard.
Correct.
Okay, wonderful. So we will move on for the second question, and this question is for team B.
Praise. Phrase. One second. Raise. No phrase. P.
Spell the word.
Spell.
PHRASC phrase.
Sorry.
Repeat it again.
RASC raise.
R-A.
RAISC raise.
Okay, yeah, that's correct.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, so now we will move on to the next question, which is second question for team C. And your word is?
Lane. LANE.
That's right, children. Very well done.
Very nice, very nice. So this is the word. Next question is for team D. And this is the word for you.
Sorry, please repeat yourself.
Do. DOE. Do.
Okay, done. Well done. Well done. That's correct.
Very nice. Okay, so now we have third set of questions, and third word for team A is?
IMUNITY.
Immunity.
Bang on. That's correct.
Very nice. So we move on with team B, and team B, this is your word.
Land. LEND. Land.
Land. Okay, yeah, that's correct.
Very nice. So we'll have a word for team C, and the third word for team C is?
CATCH. Catch.
Team C, can you repeat yourself?
Ma'am, watch. WATCH.
It doesn't rhyme with latch. The first one, could you repeat? Could you give me the first word?
CATCH. Catch.
Yeah, fantastic. This is the correct answer.
Your first one was right. So we will take that. Okay, we will move on for the next word, and the third word for team D is?
Just about round up. Noun. 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 What up by here? Bounce. BOUNCE. Bounce.
Bounce is correct. Perfect. Bounce.
So we've taken the word bounce, and wonderful team D, you've also got it right. Now we will move on to the question. Children participating here, please do not answer. This is for the students who are participating online, live on Facebook. Okay, which two words is given portmanteau word, a combination or a blend of fortnight? You can please write your answers on the comment box, and first three answers will be taken as right and will be rewarded. Thank you. We will move on to round 3.
Ma'am, the participants can also answer these questions.
No, nothing.
No, this is only for this students who are participating live on the Facebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Right. For round 3.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. So now we have reached to the final round for category 1. So this would be the last round to get your final score. Are you all ready? Give me a thumbs up. Are you all ready for the final round to score high?
Ma'am, we are ready to participate.
Good. So
And yes.
let me tell you the rules for the final round. In this round, you all team will get the 3 words once again. What you have to do with these words, you have to frame a sentence and speak the sentence by unmuting yourself. Okay? So every correct sentence will get the 5 points, 5 plus points. So there would not be any passing round. So only the team, for the team, the word has been shown on the screen. They have to participate. Frame a sentence and speak loudly the sentence. Right?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work. They're gonna hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe we got rid of those.
Fine? So can we go?
Yes, ma'am.
Brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with.
Children, may I request everybody to please stay on mute. Please, may I request everyone to please stay on mute. Only unmute when it is your turn. If you keep on unmuting, otherwise there's a lot of disturbance. So children, all of you understand, right? We've all been taking good digital classes. We all understand. We'll keep our mics on mute. Only when we have to answer, we'll unmute. Okay. And there are some students from category 2. Students, please keep yourself also on mute. Once we have done with category 1, we'll allow you to unmute and turn on your cameras. I can see everybody is super excited and they're participating in full zeal. So
Yeah.
very good kids, but keep yourself on mute till your turn comes.
So here we have the first word for the team 1, for the team A.
Preeti, please unmute yourself again.
So can we have the first word on the screen for team A? Delhi Public School, Bangalore.
Yeah.
So here is the word on the screen. Frame a sentence and speak. Your time starts.
Being
now.
a fireman, I rescue people.
Can you repeat the sentence once again, please, team A?
Being a fireman, I rescue people.
So we have our spell master to check
Yeah,
the sentence.
so I would say here we can grant this as correct. Let us grant this as correct.
That's great, team A. So can we have the word for team B?
Ma'am, yes.
Victoria Public School, yeah. So here is a word on your screen.
Delighted. मतलब
Delighted.
The bulb delighted.
Sorry?
You can ask for the meaning, team B.
the bulb delighted.
The
Bulb delighted.
Could you spell the second word in your sentence, please?
Second word delighted.
Delighted means, a feeling of great happiness. If you are delighted means you are feeling extremely happy. So give us a sentence then.
We are very delighted to participate in this competition.
That's great.
Yeah. We're equally delighted to have you here.
Thank you. So can we have the word for team C? Innocent Heart School, Jalandhar. So here is your word.
Deforestation.
Team C.
Deforestation means the cutting of trees.
Harmful for our environment.
Team C, your time starts now. Come on.
Deforestation is harmful for our environment.
Correct.
That's great.
Well done.
Very nice. So, can we have the word for team D?
Good marks in my semester exam.
Repeat your sentence.
I achieve good marks in my exam.
Very good. Well done.
Very good, very good. Well done. So now can we have the another word for team A? Team A, Delhi Public School. Here is your word on the screen and your time starts now.
I saw obstacle on
I
the
was
road.
going on a road, but there were a lot of obstacles, so I just jumped over them.
Full start.
Actually, it was only for team A.
Yeah.
Who answered this question?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I saw some obstacles on the road.
Okay, I granted us correct. Good.
Once again, I request only the participants to answer. Please, I would request nobody else. Please wait for your turn and answer only when you are asked. The whole purpose is defeated if somebody else answers the question.
So now can we have the another word for team B? Only team B. Victoria Public School. Naitik and Gurbachan. Yeah.
Inspire. Ma'am, what is the meaning of inspire?
Lucy, you'll have to unmute.
What is the meaning of inspire?
Lucy, you'll have to unmute.
Lucy, unmute please yourself. Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, we are unmuted.
No, yeah, Lucy.
Yeah, please pay attention. Inspire means to motivate someone. Okay, your teacher may be your inspiration. Your parents may be your inspiration. They motivate you.
The teacher inspired me and my class.
Sorry, could you please repeat that?
The teacher inspired me and my friends.
Inspire, or just look at this form of the verb, the teacher.
The teacher inspired me.
It is actually inspires. If you look at the correct form of the verb.
Inspired. The teacher inspired me.
Okay, inspired.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I grant it as correct there.
Great, great, great. So can we have the another word for team C on a screen? Team C, where is your word on a screen? Come on. And your time starts.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of admire?
Admire means to regard someone with respect.
And your time is going up. Team C.
If you respect someone a lot, you admire the person.
Come on, team C. Do it fast.
I admire the beauty of teacher. Nature. Ma'am, nature. I admire the beauty of nature.
Okay, I grant it as correct.
Thank you, team C. Thank you. So can we have the word for team D now? Neighbor. Team D. Yeah, and your time starts now. Team D. Team D. Are you guys there? Yeah.
Is my neighbor.
He is my neighbor. Team D. Can you please repeat the sentence once again?
My neighbor is very angry of
Wow.
small things.
Correct.
That's great. That's great. Okay.
You're not
Okay.
angry.
So can we have the another word for team D?
This is for team A.
Yeah. For team
Yeah.
A, the word 3. Yeah. Delhi Public School. And this is going to be the last word or last round for team A.
Songs are very melodious.
Sorry.
Can you
Songs
please?
are very melodious.
They say songs are very melodious.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, correct.
Okay, that's good.
Well done.
So can we have the last word for the last round for team B on screen?
My friends are very obedient. My friends are very obedient.
Correct.
I am obedient to my principal.
Very good, wonderful.
I am obedient to my principal, and I also respect my parents, and I obedient also my elders.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Can we have the-
One energetic set of students.
A series of sentences. We
Can
can.
we have a last word for the last round for team C? Team C. Last word, last round.
Fortnight means a period of 2 weeks. You know, just as you
And your time is going up.
make a fortnight.
And your time is going up.
After fortnight, the book will be published.
After fortnight, can you please repeat the sentence?
After fortnight, a book will be published.
The book will be republished.
A fortnight, or the book will be published after a fortnight. Okay, I grant this is correct.
Thank you, team C. So now, here is the last word for team D for the last round, category 1. And your time is moving up. Team D.
Accompany means to go somewhere with someone.
I suggest you accompany me home. I like accompany my mother the market.
Very good, Kriti.
Could you please repeat that again, Kriti? I accompany my mother.
I like to accompany my mother the market.
To the market, correct.
Thank you, Kriti. Thank you. Thank you so much, all the teams. And then now the round is over for you. Category 1 has done. And now we are having one live question for our audience, those who have joined us on a Facebook. Rearrange the letters of the given word to form the another word. And the words are THICKEN. You have to rearrange the letters of the given word to form the another word. So this question is only for the audience, those who have joined us on a Facebook. Kindly type your answer on the comment box. Thank you so much, category 1.
Thank you so much, Preeti. And thank you all the students. You've been such a good sport, and you've been, I see, a very encouraging group of students, a very motivated set of students. We all wanted to answer all the questions, and we've done very well. But I think, may I reach out to my score master to tell me, I am supposing we have a tie for all the teams in this group. Is that so?
Yeah. Hi, Himani. So this was an amazing round, and a big congratulations. Fantastic guys for performing so well. So we have a very difficult task ahead because it's a tie amongst all the 4 teams.
All right. So I have now a tiebreaker question for all the 4 teams. Are the teams ready?
Ma'am.
All right. Now for this tiebreaker, you have to listen to me very carefully. Okay. And whoever unmutes and does any mistake, I'm going to disqualify them because I want one winning team. Okay. So you're going to listen to me very carefully. I'm going to recite a very short poem, and you have to tell me the rhyming words in that poem. Is that okay?
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes. Yes, Tirath.
Ma'am, this poem is for category 1 to
Yes,
participate.
category 1. Yes.
How to answer them, when to answer them.
Category 2 will start with you in 10 minutes.
How
Just,
to answer, ma'am?
this is only for category 1. You can
Can you
unmute.
repeat it again?
Ma'am,
The
can you
instructions.
repeat the instructions again?
Yes, Pravit, I'll just repeat the instructions. So I'm going to recite a very short poem, right? You have to listen to me very carefully. And you have to listen to me very carefully. If you unmute, I'm going to disqualify, especially for team B. Victoria Public. If you unmute before your turn, I'm going to disqualify you then from this tiebreaker. Okay. Now you'll listen to the poem and you'll tell me the rhyming words. Okay. You just have to listen. I'm not showing it on the screen. So here I go. Listen carefully. Just tell me the rhyming words.
Ma'am, this is for category. Ma'am, this is for team A.
This is for all the teams. Whichever team is able to answer first. And you'll just raise your hand. I can see everybody on the camera. Okay, you just raise your hand. Mute yourselves. Yeah. Okay, you'll keep yourselves on Catic team B. Keep yourself on mute.
unmute हो जाता है.
I'll have muted you. So the poem is The Fat Cat. I had a fat cat. Was so fat.
Ma'am.
Wait, let me finish the poem. I had a fat cat who was so fat, he could not even sit on his mat. He had a hat that did not fit. He put it on, and then it split. I'll repeat the poem. Listen to it once again. You have to tell me all the rhyming words. I had a cat who was so fat, he could not even sit on his mat. He had a hat that did not fit. He put it on and then it split. Yeah, Devik, yes.
First
Okay.
is cat and fat. Second is sit and fit. Third is mat and hat.
Okay.
Ma'am and sat.
All right. I'll just come to you one by one. So Devik's given her his answer. Yeah, Gurjapan.
Ma'am, first है ma'am cat is fat. मैं cat and fat. मैं second में mat and hat. Ma'am और third जो है मैं वो है fit and flit.
Okay. So now I have Innocent Hearts also raising their hands. Yes.
Fat and cat. Mat and hat. Fit and split.
Okay. Pravit, you also wanted to answer? Okay, Kriti.
Ma'am, with there is also one rhyming word in the poem sat. Sat is also one.
All right. Yeah, Kriti, yes.
Fat, cat, that, mat, hat, mat, fit, split.
Okay. So all of you gave me almost correct, but all the correct in a sequence, all the correct rhyming words and pronounced correctly was given to me by Innocent Hearts group of schools. So that was the team who gave me the correct answer in the correct sequence, right? So they will get the advantage. The spell master, do you agree with me?
Yeah, could you hear me, Himani?
Yes.
Yeah.
So Innocent Hearts, all of you gave me correct. Somebody missed some and somebody added some. So Innocent was the one which gave me all the correct rhyming words in the correct sequence. So for this round, you'll get that extra point and we'll come in the end for the winning teams. Innocent Hearts, congratulations for now. Should I say another poem for team for the second?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
For team 2, Lucy?
Yeah, we could do that for the second position.
So now, Innocent Hearts, you're not participating in this round. Okay. So this is for team A, B, and D. Now listen to this poem again. There's another poem. Little seed. I plant a little seed in the ground. Out comes the sun, big and round. Down come the raindrops, soft and slow. Up comes the flower, grow, grow, grow. I am repeating myself.
Grow.
I plant a little seed in the ground. Out comes the sun, big and round. Down comes the rain, soft and slow. Up comes the flower, grow, grow, grow.
Grow, grow, grow.
So who wants to go first? Kriti?
Teacher, will you repeat one more time?
I'll repeat it once more. I plant a little seed in the ground. Out comes the sun, big and round. Down comes the rain, soft and slow. Up comes the flower, grow, grow, grow.
Ma'am, slow down.
Wait, I saw the hand of Pravit up first. Pravit, yes. Pravit, you'll have to unmute.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Ma'am, the rhyming words are ground, round, sun, down,
Slow.
slow, and grow.
All right. Yeah, Gurjapan.
Ma'am, the first time I'm a seed. A seed, ma'am, a sun out ground, round. मैम फिर मैं ग्रो एंड मैम पहले स्लो है मैं फिर ग्रो है मैम जैसे मैम सीड सन आउट मैम राउंड मैम ग्राउंड में फिर राउंड में फिर मैम स्लो में फिर ग्रो.
Okay. Davik, do you want to try?
Ma'am, it is ground, ground, round. Then it is grow and slow.
Beautiful. So this Natik and Gurjapan, I'm sorry, Davik gave me the correct answer. So DPS Bangalore wins this round. And Davik and Pravit, there was a slight confusion there, but Davik gave me all the correct answers, so you get the advantage there. So DPS Bangalore did very well here. So with this, we come to an end to category 1. Category 1 students, very well done, very enthusiastically played. Thank you so much. And all the best, congratulations, and very well done. So may I request?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
May I request
Thank you, ma'am.
all the category 1 students, you can now turn off your cameras, go on mute. And now we'll begin with category 2 students in 3 minutes. 3 more minutes, and we'll start with category 2 students.
Excuse me, teacher. Ma'am, we have to left now the meeting.
Tirath, now it is your turn. That was Tirath, right?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I am Gurjapan.
Gurjapan, stay in the meeting for the, we'll announce the winners at the end of the round 2. So if you want to stay, you can stay. If you want to leave, you can leave also. Okay.
20%
But stay on mute, everybody. Please stay on mute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, it's me, Pravit.
Yeah.
Can
Pravit.
I take a break and come after 10 minutes?
Absolutely, absolutely. Sure, Pravit.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Devansh.
Ma'am, I'll join back.
All right, bache, all right. Devansh Dubivedi, Delhi Public School, Bangalore. Devansh Dubivedi. Kshitij is there. Kshitij? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Kshitij. Pranjali and Kritika is also there. Pranjali and Kritika. Gavish and Yashika. Gavish and Yashika. Gavish and Yashika.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Tirath, and I saw Tirath is there, and Ane. Tirath and Ane Shukla. Tirath and Ane Shukla. Tirath, I can see. Ane.
Yeah, I am there.
You're there, Ane? All right.
Teacher, no, I am Tirth.
Okay, Tirth, can you please
Teacher,
confirm?
I am there too.
Ane is also there? Perfect.
Yeah.
Himani, just a small question. So for this round, category 2, we have Innocent Hearts as team A and Delhi Public School, Bangalore as team C, right?
No, it's the same sequence.
Same sequence. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, teams, get ready, gear up. The category 2 will be starting in another 3 minutes.
फर्स्ट ही नहीं आए फर्स्ट आ सकते हैं ना बस आज ही फर्स्ट नहीं आया ना 10 तभी नहीं आना है मैंने कहा था इतना पढ़ा मैंने क्या था पढ़ाएंगे कुछ मैंने
We are out.
So अच्छा का टाइम है और मैं कितना कुछ सोचूंगा देख मैं कितना कुछ सोचूंगा ये कांचे के टुकड़े यार में flying competition.
Natek, I request you, don't unmute yourself.
Natik, turn off your video also.
All right, so are the teams ready? Can I see all the 4 teams on the screen, please? Can you all share your cameras so I can see all the 4 teams on the screen? I am repeating myself. Team A, Devansh is joining. He has some technical difficulty. He'll be joining. Kshitij is there, right? Kshitij?
Yes, ma'am.
So Kshitij will begin with you. Devansh will join you in about a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Team B, Pranjali and Kritika are there with us. Gavish and Yashika. Yeah, Tirth and Ane. Ane, I can see. Tirth. Okay, I can see you also. Perfect. All right. So we have our 4 teams here with us for category 2. In category 2, the first team is Delhi Public School, Bangalore, being represented by Devansh Trivedi and Kshitij Kumar Singh. Team B, represented by Victoria Public School, Ahmedgarh, being represented by Pranjali and Kritika Soni. Team C, Innocent Heart Group of Schools, Jalandhar, being represented by Gavish Puri and Yashika Singla. And Team D, Guardian School, Dombivli, being represented by Tirth Thakur and Anesh Shukla. So we have teams from again across the country, from different parts of the country joined with us today. All the best teams. Is everybody ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, teacher.
So if you've seen category 1, just like category 1, you'll also have 3 rounds. And as for every round, you'll have a time bound round. So please be ready. I see 2 teams. They are connected from the same device. So you can discuss amongst yourself and give the answer. But for the time when you are answering a question, please make sure that you are unmute. And when you are, it's not your turn, keep yourselves on mute, but you cannot turn off your cameras at any point of time. Please make sure your cameras are on always. In between every round, we'll have words given out and questions for the audience, wherein you can answer on the live Facebook comment box. The first 3 correct responders will be rewarded. We'll reach out to you at the end of the round of all the questionnaires. At the end of the quiz competition, we'll announce the winners for all the live question response, and you can share with us your details for your rewards. Thank you so much. Over to Preeti and the Spellmaster to begin the round for category 2.
Thank you so much, Himani. So once again, I welcome all the participants for category 2. Are you all guys ready?
Yes, teacher.
Excited? Give me a
Yes,
thumbs up.
teacher.
So give me a thumbs up so that we can start. Yeah, thank you so much, everybody. So for category 2, we are having the first round, same we were having in a category 1, that is a spell it round. We have our spell master with us. She is going to spell out the words. What you have to do in this round, each team will get the 3 words to spell. Okay, right? So once you hear the word, each team will get 30 seconds to spell it out. Every correct spelling get the 5 plus points. Okay, and this is going to be a passing round again. So if you are not able to spell it out correctly, the quiz will be passing on to the next team. So they have to give the answer just after finishing the 30 seconds of team A, the other team. Okay, fine. Ready? Any doubts?
No, teacher.
So can we go? Can we move on? So yeah. So here is the first word for team A, Delhi Public School, on your screen. Yeah. So Spellmaster, can we have the word, please?
Yeah, team A, your first word is sovereign.
And your time starts now.
SOVEREIGN.
Hang on, you're correct.
Very well done, team.
Very good, team 1. So can we have the word for team 2 on screen with the Spellmaster?
Yeah, team B, your first word is hysterical. I repeat.
HISTORICAL.
Oops, that's not the correct answer. Better luck next time.
So can we have?
Please, ma'am, again.
It now passes on to the next team.
Ma'am, repeat the word.
Okay, I'll repeat it for you. This is team C. The word is hysterical. Hysterical. You want the meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Hysterical means unable to control one's behavior. So that's hysterical.
Any team, team A, team B, team C.
It's a team D. Can I answer?
Ma'am, HYS
HYSTERICAL.
Please repeat yourself and let only one person speak at a time.
Can I tell first?
H.
Team D.
Only team C is going to participate now. Yeah, team C.
H. Can I answer?
Yeah, sure.
HYSTERICAL.
Absolutely, that's the correct spelling.
Thank you, team C. Thank you, team C. So now can we have the first word for team C now?
Yeah. See, your first word is catastrophe. Catastrophe.
Please repeat.
Catastrophe. Catastrophe means a great disaster. Okay, catastrophe.
And your time starts now.
TASEROEH.
Amazing, that's correct.
Wonderful, team C, wonderful. So can we have the another word for team D? And
yeah, team D, your first word is dungeon. Dungeon. You want the meaning for that?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, dungeon is a dark underground room which is often used as a prison.
Teacher, can I try? DUNGEON.
Fantastic, that's correct.
wonderful, team D. Thank you so much. So can we have the another word for team A, Delhi Public School? Spellmaster, can we have the word too?
Yeah, for team A, the second word is camouflage. Camouflage. And camouflage means, you know, the ability to merge with the surroundings. Camouflage.
Team
CAMOUFLAGE.
Please repeat yourself.
CAMOUFLAGE.
Wonderful, that's correct.
Thank you so much, team A. So now we are having the word 2 for team B. Team B, Victoria Public School.
Yeah, team B, your next word is mundane. Mundane. You know, something which is dull and uninteresting. Mundane.
Pranjali and Kritika, your second word, and your time starts now.
MUNDANE.
That's correct. Well done.
Wonderful. Thank you, Pranjali and Kritika. So now we are having the second word for team 3. Spellmaster, please.
Okay, your word is isolation. Isolation.
ISOLATION.
Wonderful. You know, you're correct.
Thank you so much, team 3. So now we are having the second word for team D. Spellmaster.
Your team D, your word is consecutive.
So can you repeat?
Can you repeat? Consecutive.
Sorry?
Can you repeat?
Yeah, sure. Consecutive. I'll give you the meaning also. You know, consecutive used as an adjective means something which follows one after the other. You know, without it.
It is CONSECUTIVE.
Please repeat yourself.
CONSECUTIVE.
Amazing. That's correct.
Thank you so much, Teja. Thank you so much. So now here is the last word for all the team. So team A, the last word. Spellmaster, can we have the last word?
Yeah, sure. Team A, your last word for this round is microphone. Microphone. You want me to repeat again?
No, ma'am, I can tell.
Yeah, please.
MICROPHONE.
Well done, that's correct.
Thank you so much, Ritesh. Yeah, thank you so much. So now can we have the last word for team B? Spellmaster?
Your team B, your word is monochrome. Monochrome.
Come on, come on. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. Yeah, thank you.
MONOCHROME.
Fantastic. That's correct.
Thank you so much, Pranjali and Kritika. Thank you so much. Now we are having the last word for team C.
Your team C, your word is discriminate. Discriminate.
DISCRIMINATE.
Bullseye. That's correct. Well done.
Thank you so much, team C. Now for the round 1, we are having the last word for team D. So Spellmaster, can we have the last word?
You must have heard this word a number of times now, you know, quarantine. The word is quarantine.
Everybody knows the meaning now.
QUARANTINE.
Fantastic. That's
Fantastic. Thank you so much, all of the teams. So we have done with the round 1. Thank you so much for your participation. We are moving to the round 2. But before that, we are having one live question for a live audience. So here is the question on the screen. Which 2 word is the given portmanteau word or a combination and a blend of rom-com? ROMCOM. So this is the question only for the audience on a Facebook, not for you, the participants. So please write your answer on the comment box. We have our team member, those who are getting the right answer from the comment box. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And we are moving to the round 2. Over to you.
Thank you, team. Very enthusiastic participation from everybody. Great. So for team 2, can I have my next quiz master?
Sure, sure. Thank you. Thank you, Himani. So amazed to see the great performance by each teams. So we have reached now the second round of category 2, which is alphabetizer. So are you ready to start? Team, are you ready to start?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Great, great. So before we start this round, I would like to quickly take you through the rules for this round. So please listen to it carefully. The task has got 2 parts actually. Each team will get 5 jumbled words together. You get 60 seconds. That's 1 minute to unjumble the words, which is the first part, and arrange them alphabetically is the second part. So every correct answer will get the team 10 points, 5 for unjumbling and 5 for arranging it alphabetically. And please note that this is not a passing round. Okay, and I would once again request all teams that the answering team only will be in unmute position. All
So
other
can you
teams,
repeat the rules once again?
rules you want me to repeat? Okay, this is actually task. This task has got 2 sections. The first section, you will get 5 jumbled words together. And what you need to do, and you will get 60 seconds to finish both these tasks. The first part is to unjumble the words. Okay. The second part, once you finish with unjumbling and you have the correct 5 words together, then you need to alphabetically arrange it also. The 5 words which comes first, that way you need to alphabetically arrange all those 5 words. So these are the 2 parts of the task. Okay, and for this task you get 10 points, the 5 for the unjumbling part and 5 for arranging alphabetically, that is the second part. So is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So please remain, only the answering team are requested to remain in the unmute position. All others will remain in mute, and video needs to be in on position for all teams throughout the session. Okay, all the very best to all 4 teams. So,
yeah. So team A, your first Delhi Public School, Bangalore, your first set of jumbled words, and you have 60 seconds. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here is your first set of 5 words. You have to unjumble them and arrange them alphabetically. Yes, your time is over.
I actually couldn't unjumble all.
Okay, you have unjumbled. You can just read it out, pronounce it over here.
Sir, I've just unjumbled 3 words yet.
Yeah, please. You can just say it out, and you can arrange them in alphabetical order as well.
Microphone, leather, isolation.
Great.
I've
And
unjumbled these 3.
And could you please say the words in alphabetical order, the 3 that you have unjumbled so far?
Yes, sir. Isolation, microphone, which.
Great. So, Spellmaster, your comment on this, please.
Their isolation is correct, microphone correct, which also correct, and the order is also correct. These 3 words.
Can we give them part marks for that?
Yeah, I think we should.
All right. So I think
So we give them 3 points.
they'll get 5
6
points.
points.
They were able to, yes, 6 points. They were able to unjumble and arrange them alphabetically.
We give them 6 points. Yeah.
6 points, yeah, 3 words.
Great. Shall we move further for the next group of words for Team B?
So for the first one, yes, the first one, the correct order was fierce, isolation, litter, microphone, and witch.
Great, good attempt. So we'll move on to the next question for Team B, Victoria Public School, Ahmedgar. So here is the set of words for you. Your time starts now. Yes, Team B, could you please come up with your answer?
First is audience, second is wrinkle, third is depth, fourth is quarantine, fifth is spore.
Okay, and order, please.
Fourth is contribute. Quarantine,
Your order also, please. Then we will move on to the Spellmaster for a final confirmation.
Can you arrange the all the words you've told us correctly? Could you arrange them alphabetically?
Okay, alphabetically. Audience, depth, spore, wrinkle, quarantine.
Okay, Spellmaster, I would request you to please comment on their answer.
Could you please repeat the third word?
Fourth word.
The third.
Depth. Depth.
That is third in your list. Oh, alphabetically, please.
Go through the list again, the alphabet.
Yeah, say the list again.
Team
audience, depth, spore, quarantine, wrinkle.
Okay, the alphabetical order is correct. The words are also, I think, yeah, the words are also correct.
Thank you.
Great, so congratulations.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
We will move on to the next team. Yeah, here are the correct answers. Okay, Team C, here is the Team C Innocent Heart School, Jalanthar. So here is the list of words for you. Your time starts now.
First word is carrier, CAREER. Second is glimpse, GLIMPSE. Third word is triumph, TRIUMPH. Fourth word is expensive, EXPENSIVE. And last word is study, STUDY.
That's great. And could you please read out in order, alphabetical order as well?
Yes. First is carrier. Second, expensive. Third, glimpse. Fourth, study. Third, triumph.
Great.
The last
And
one is triumph. Okay. Yeah, very well done. You know, the first word is pronounced as career. Okay, it's not
Okay, ma'am.
career. Otherwise, you're correct. Well done. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
great. Congratulations. So now we are
Thank
moving
you.
to the last set of words for Team D, Guardian School, Dombivli. Team D, here is a set of words for you. Your time starts now. Yes, your time ends here and you can come up with the answers, please.
Sir, fifth one is budge.
The last one is?
Budge.
Okay. What about the other words?
Fourth one, immunity.
Great.
Third one, litter.
Yeah.
First
Don't work out now. You need to just read out your list because your time is over. Please read it out first. Okay, I think we will lock for these three words. And you can just arrange those three words that you have mentioned alphabetically, please.
budge.
Great. I would request the spell master to please comment on this.
Somehow, you know, I would want the child to repeat it because I couldn't get the next two, the order for the next two. So could you please?
Budge.
Yeah.
Immunity.
Litter. Correct. Well done. Good.
Okay, congratulations for your very good attempt. So we are moving to the next slide to see the correct answers.
Oh, master, this team also gets 6 points.
Okay. So here are the correct answers. Attendance, birds, digital, immunity, and litter. Congratulations once again. So we are moving to the last team. I'm sorry, we are done with all the 4 teams, I believe, Himani?
Yes, we are done.
Yeah, good, great. So very happy to see your very active participation. Congratulations for your very good efforts. So here comes the end of the second round of category 2. Now we are moving for the open question for the audience. So here is the question for the audience. Those who are watching live, thank you very much for watching this session, this spelling competition. Here is the question for you. Which 2 words is the given portmanteau word a combinational blend of netizen? I repeat the question. Which 2 words is the given portmanteau word a combinational blend of netizen? So please right away type in your answer through the chat box. Okay, the first 3 answers will be felicitated. So thank you so much for watching. Himani, over back to you.
Thank you, Biju. So some of the answers I've been watching online, if this question sounds a little difficult, you just have to tell which two words combine to form netizen. So the question says, which two words combine to form the word netizen? That is this question put in easier language. So moving on to the next round 3, anagrams. Can I have Shweta?
Yes, thank you, Himani. So moving on to the final round, which is round 3, anagrams. Now, anagram is basically a word that is made by arranging the letters of another word in different order. Okay, and we have put up one example here. If you can see, sweat is equal to waste. So we will be posting 2 questions for every team like this. When your slide comes up, you will have 2 questions on your slide. And every question gets 5 marks. So 2 questions will have 10 marks each slide. And I would request to move on the slide. And can we have the first question? If you're clear about the round, or should I repeat it again before moving on?
Can you repeat once again?
Okay. Now anagrams, if you see example here, we have written sweat and waste. The spellings are exactly the same, but these are 2 different words, right? So you will be given questions like this only. We will be giving you a question and you will have to come up with the answer where the word makes some sense. It cannot be, and the spelling also has to be exactly the same, but it is an other word. Okay. So we will be posting questions like this. This is just an example that we have given you for your better understanding. So when we move on to the next slide, you will have, every slide will have 2 questions. We will be giving 2 words in every slide and every team has to answer both the question. Each question carries 5 marks. So are we clear about the round?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the first question for team A. Delhi Public School, this is your question. First question is marching and second question is state. And your time starts now. It's a 30-second timer.
You just have to rearrange the letters to form 2 new words. One with marching, one with state. Just rearrange the letters.
March and 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I said March and 8.
No, you have to use all the letters.
Yes. See, if I'm going to take you back to the slide 1, the example slide, if you see there, we have taken all the letters. You saw sweat and then the answer was, yeah, thank you. And the answer was waste, which means all the spelling, all the letters that you see in letter 1, you will have to use in the letter 2. All the spellings will have to be there. You will have to rearrange and make a new word. So we can still give you 15 more seconds if you can come up with a word.
Yeah, this is a different kind of a question, which you may not have experienced before. So benefit of doubt, if you want to DPS Bangalore, do you want to try again?
Okay, ma'am.
See, just think hard. Okay, the second word is very easy. I'm helping you also. S-T-A-T-E.
Ma'am, second word I got it. I'm looking for the first word now.
Okay, think. We'll give
starting the timer, guys. Okay. Benefit of doubt, you received quite a bit.
Ma'am, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Ma'am, for the first word, charming, and the second word, estate.
Okay, I'll show you the right answer. Can we move the slide, please? And the correct answer is charming is right, but the second word you told estate, which is taste. Okay, S-T-A-T-E, state we have given. You just had to rejumble it or reshuffle it and make it as taste, T-A-S-T-E. So we will take one right, which is charming. So you will be getting 5 points there. But this one, we will not be considering it. Okay.
Will we get will they get 5 points or they'll get 2.5? Because their question I think had 5 points.
Every word is 5 point, Priya. So we are marking it on 10.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So can we move on? Yeah. So this is the question for Team B, Victoria Public School. Here is your question. I hope you got it right. And your time starts now. Elbow and... Okay, so we have stopped the timer, and can we have the answers from your side?
First one is below and second one is robed.
Okay, can we see the right answer on the next slide? Okay, below and robe, both are right. Many congratulations to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
10 points here for this slide. Okay. Okay, we move on to Team C. And Team C, the question for you is... Okay, think and be. The time starts now. Okay, so timer is stopped. And can we hear the answer from your side?
Yes, ma'am. The second word is keen, K-E-E-N.
First is night, N-I-G-H-T.
Okay, so can we see the right answer? Okay, N-I-G-H-T is the right answer and K-E-E-N is the right answer. So you also get 10 points for this round.
Thank you, ma'am.
Many congratulations. Okay, moving on to Team D. And Team D, your question this round is, please pay attention. You have 30 seconds and your question is times and toned. And your time starts now. And your time stopped. Can we hear answer from you?
First one is smite.
Come again.
Smite. S-M-I-T-E.
Okay. And the second
one is owned.
Spell it.
Teacher, owned.
Could you please spell it?
O-O-N-E. Teacher, O-N-E. I didn't know what is wrong answer.
Second one is, please spell it, baby. Your mic is gone on mute.
There, it is wrong answer.
Okay, fine. So we will take the first one and let's see what is the right answer. And the correct answer is items and noted.
Here we will grant smite also as correct. Smite is also correct.
Yes. So we'll grant you one answer right, which is your first one. We grant 5 marks for that. But the second one is noted. So that goes wrong. So with this, I think we come to the end of round for all the 3 teams. And our score master will be adding up all the points and will let us know in some time. Before we go to the scores, we will have a question for our live audience. who are commenting and watching our session on Facebook. So this is the word for you. Rearrange the letters of the given word to form another word. And the letters are S-I-L-E-N-C-E. Rearrange the letters of the given word to form another word. S-I-L-E-N-C-E. So I would request you to put it up on the comment box, and the first 3 answers would be getting a reward. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. So teams, meanwhile, the score master is arranging the score, is getting the scores together. Are all of us curious? Who's got how many marks? Who's going to win? So first of all, one thing I would like to ask all my students, all the students participating in this activity, did you enjoy? Did we have fun?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Were these questions something different from what we have been doing so far?
Yes, teacher.
Something new, something different.
Yes, something new and something different, teacher.
Right. So see, there are so many ways we can learn one thing. We never knew that what are anybody can tell me a new word or a new thing they learned today. Any one thing that you learned new today.
Hysterical.
Hysterical, all right. A new word, good. we only realized hysterical is also a word. All right. What else? How many of you had heard about portmanteau words? And how many times we heard portmanteau today? Had you heard about it? Had pehle suna tha? Anybody who had heard the word portmanteau before? No, right? So portmanteau words are wherein we can, like, we'll break a word. We'll take 2 words and combine them together to make one. For example, we use a very common word all of us use, emoticon. Which 2 words have combined to create emoticon?
In and modal.
No, emoticons. We use so many emoticons when we are doing a chat. Smiley emoticon, crying emoticon, happy emoticon. So which 2 words have we combined, shortened and combined to make emoticon? Yeah, Innocent Hearts wants to answer. Thinking. These are portmanteau words, wherein we combine 2 words and we make a single word. Should I give the answer?
Teacher.
Okay, so we have combined emotion and icon. When we combine emotion and icon, instead of using emotions with icons or emotions and icon, we say emoticon. So that is how we use emoticon.
Sir,
Right.
I heard immortal. That's why I answered that.
Oh, okay. So, okay. Another word we can think of is, let's say, webinar. Which 2 words combine to give us webinar? Think. I see a lot of students thinking. Which 2 words did I split, combine to make webinar? You've all done so many webinars, all digital classrooms online. Try. There's no right or wrong answer. You don't know, it's fine. So what? Let's try. Yeah. Kritika, are you trying to answer? Pranjali and Kritika?
Yes, ma'am, we will try.
Okay. All right. So score master, do I have the scores ready?
Yes, the scores are ready and we have a very clear winner over here. But first and foremost, I would like to congratulate all 4 teams for doing such a fantastic job. And the highest score has been received by Innocent Hearts Group School with their bonus score. And we have a runner-up team, which is Victoria Public School, Ahmedgarh Team B. So the clear winner over here is Team C, Innocent Hearts Group School. A big congratulations. And the runner-up team over here is Victoria Public School, Ahmedgarh, which is Team B.
Awesome. Fabulous. So teams, very well done. So can I have all the teams and all the cameras on? I'm going to stop sharing the screen for once. I will stop sharing the screen for once. Can I have, if I can have C1 candidates also. If I have category 1 participants as well, let us announce the winners for all, both the categories. Can I have category 1 students also turn on their cameras? Let's have all the students. Let's have all the students on the screen. So do I have all the cameras on? Let me see. Let me see. Do I have all the cameras on? Okay, okay. Yes, I have all the. Kriti, turn on your camera. We have all the cameras on. Okay, okay. So then at this point, I would like to request Publishing Head ELT, Madhuban Educational Books, Ms. Rama Arunachalam, who's joined with us, connected with us all the way from Chennai, to say a few words and announce the winners. The score master will help Rama to announce the winners.
Okay, so Rama, for category 1, the winner is after the tiebreaker round, Team C, Innocent Hearts Group School, Jalandhar, and the winner-up team is Delhi Public School, Bangalore.
Okay, so for the team B, we have Innocent Heart School Jalandhar as the first prize, and DPS Delhi Public School Bangalore the second as the runner-up. Many congratulations to the winners, and very happy that we had such active participation. Please, children, please remember that this was a very close contest, and so it's doesn't matter whether you won it or you didn't win it, but all of you participated very well. So big congratulations all around to the participants, and very well played. Very close contest also.
And for category 2?
And for category 2, we have the winners as Innocent Hearts Group School, Jalandhar, and the runner-up team is Victoria Public School, Ahmedgarh.
Awesome.
Yes, big congratulations to Innocent Heart School for being the winner, as well as Victoria Public School for being the runner-up. Many congratulations to you and to all the other participants.
Can I request everybody to unmute for once and clap for all the participants? Let's all unmute and clap loudly. Had all of us been there on a live session, we would have enjoyed so much, isn't it? So very good, very well done, everybody. It's such a proud moment for all of us. And I must congratulate all those participants that amidst all their examinations and amidst so many things that are going on at school, you all took this opportunity and came here. So now all the way up to Rama. Rama, a few words from you, motivation for all our participants and all the parents and the schools.
Yes, thank you so much, Himani. Now to give you the answer for the portmanteau word which she placed before you, which is webinar. Can anyone guess here in this group? We have got some answers on the Facebook live page, but to tell the children here, a portmanteau word is two words combined together. The word comes from the French, actually, the origin, which means to carry. So two words are carried together. And here it is web, which you know, the World Wide Web, along with seminar. Seminar is a kind of a meeting which you have with people. A webinar is an online seminar. So a webinar that's the meaning. And many thanks to you. Madhuban here has actually organized at least 700 plus webinars this particular year during the pandemic. And I know children like you also have been participating in online classes along with your teachers. Very well done. And hopefully our situation will improve soon and you'll all be back in schools attending classes face to face. And many thanks to the schools and to the managements for allowing the children to participate. And special thanks to the quiz master, the spelling master, and the organizers of this event. I really enjoyed it. And it was such a pleasure to see such intelligent, clever minds participating so quickly. I hope we will be seeing you soon in other rounds like this. We have organized an ELT week. What is ELT? English language teaching. And we are having this particular event called Expressions. which is going on from the 21st of March till the 23rd of April. And we hope to see you and the schools across the country participate very actively in this. There'll be many events, so please watch the space and keep track of what we do. We will be reaching out, of course, to your schools to tell you more about these, give you more details about this. And now a short video about expressions. And thank you again for being a wonderful
Teacher,
group.
I have a doubt, teacher.
Yes.
Tell me.
Teacher, will we get participant certificate also?
Yes.
Yes, you will. You will.
Thank you, teacher.
So everybody will be getting participating certificates, and the winners would be receiving a small gift, a token of appreciation from Madhuban Educational Books at their schools. So you'll get it on your school, and very soon. So we'll send it across in about a week,
Yes.
maximum week, 10 days. All of you will be receiving your rewards.
Okay, ma'am.
And here is a short clip of our upcoming event, like ma'am shared, expressions. So just see what we are coming up, be ready, gear up, and let's have everybody participate in this month of expression. So everybody excited for something upcoming, interesting things upcoming?
Ma'am, yes.
Looking forward to see you all again. All the best for your exams and the new session. God bless everybody. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your day, and let's all eat lunch now. It's lunchtime. So everybody go eat healthy lunch. Nobody's having noodles, pasta, and pizzas.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye. God bless everybody. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye, all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, everybody.
Bye,
Bye.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
See you all.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. See you all. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, Shanvi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Drishti.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Ane.
Teacher, should we leave?